Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you yummy and healthy fall smoothie recipes. This is the time of year for yummy fall-themed drinks. The problem is they are loaded with sugar, preservatives, and dairy. When you are trying to boost thyroid and immune function, those options just don't work well. Luckily, there are some delicious, healthy alternatives for you to try. These recipes are packed with essential nutrients and healthy fats. The turmeric in this pumpkin pie smoothie adds anti-inflammatory properties due to the presence of curcumin. In addition, turmeric helps accelerate the metabolism rate and lets your body burn a significant number of calories, leading to weight loss. The collagen is perfect for healing a leaky gut. It can also help to reduce the inflammation by promoting the growth of connective tissues that keeps the joints strong and reduce friction that can lead to inflammation and pain. This chocolate cinnamon treat includes antioxidant-packed cocoa, which helps in maintaining a healthy circulatory system. Plus, cocoa contains a high amount of flavonoids. Research has suggested that they may aid in maintaining a healthy brain. Cinnamon can help regulate your blood sugar. In addition, there is a chemical connection between the brain and the scent and taste of cinnamon. When research subjects smelled cinnamon, their cognitive activity increased. The ginger and turmeric in this gingerbread smoothie are anti-inflammatory. They are two powerful spices from the same family that have been used widely throughout history for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Turmeric and ginger are used to treat different forms of stomach and digestion-related issues, whereas the collagen and protein will help repair your gut lining. They also protect the integrity of the intestinal wall. Collagen in particular builds new villi, which help to absorb the nutrients that we eat. Smoothies are the ultimate way to pack as much nutrition as possible into one drink. I hope that you enjoy indulging in these delicious, healthy smoothies. Thank you so much for watching. Good day and good health.